Hello students, in this session we'll be going to discuss a topics on inlet and outlet arrangements and inclined settlers. Now what are the inlet and outlet arrangements? These are the arrangements basically provided at the inlet of the sedimentation tank and outlet of the sedimentation tank. Now first we'll discuss about the inlet arrangements. So basically there are four types of inlet arrangements from where the water will be taken inside to the sedimentation tank. In that, the first one is this type, that is the diffuser valve with the slots or perforated baffles. So whatever the water flowing through this influent pipe, that is from where the water is allowed to flow, these are the baffle valves. This is a baffle valve with the multiple openings from where the water will be allowed to flow inside. Okay, why this baffle valves are provided? To reduce the flow velocity. Now why these openings are provided? To reduce the turbulence, because the water will be coming at the higher pressure and velocity. So to reduce that pressure and velocity, we have to provide such type of inlets. So this is one type called as the diffuser valve inlet, where for a baffle valve, number of performance will be there. That is, the small holes will be there through which the water will be passed. And second type is that is this one. So in this, that is the influent channel with submerged orifice in the inside channel wall. So again here, before baffle wall, one more wall will be provided in the form of the submerged orifice. So from where the water, two openings will be provided here. In this, the water will be coming here. Some portion of water will be overflowing and it will be getting through this baffle wall, and some portion will be carried out in this section in order to reduce the turbulence. In order to reduce the turbulence and the velocity, this is also one type of inlet. And the third one type you are seeing here is the influent channels with the bottom openings. Now here, opening is provided at the bottom. Here also the openings are there from where the water can flow, but here in this case, only at the bottom opening will be provided. So this portion is allowed for the subsiding of the turbulence, that is to reduce the turbulence. Turbulence means what? To change the pressure from higher side to lower side. Okay, because here the water pressure will be more, so in order to reduce the pressure, here the water will be collected and stored for some time, then it will be taken inside. Okay. And the fourth one here is the overflow weir followed by a baffle. So this is the baffle wall. Prior to the baffle wall, they will provide the weir from where the water will flow like this way, and then it will be taken out. Okay, like this way it will be taken out. So what is the purpose of weir? Again, to reduce the velocity of the flow, okay, or to control the turbulence. For that purpose, the weir will be provided. So these are the some types of inlets for where this sedimentation tank it will be provided. It depends upon the which type of inlets you are choosing and which type of sedimentations you are using. Now next is the outlet designs. This is the where the outlets are provided at the end of the sedimentation tank, where from the water is collected from the sedimentation tank to the next treatment. So there are two types of outlets are generally provided. One is with the V notches, you can see here. See, this is the baffle wall. So one baffle wall will be at the entrance and another baffle wall will be at the exit. So from here the water will be there in the sedimentation tank here. This baffle wall will be at the exit of the sedimentation tank. After that, again the notches will be provided like this way, V notches. Okay, why? To control the again turbulence. So the water has to go in the constant velocity. So this is one type of the notch or the outlet, or the simple weir they will provide, rectangular weir from the where the water will be taken out through the pipe. So there are two types of outlets. One is the V notches and one is the weir plate. So in the diagram, you will be understanding. So in this diagram, if you see, so this is the sedimentation tank. Otherwise, in this diagram, if you see, this is the sedimentation tank where the sedimentation process will be occur. From this, the water will be taken out to the next process. Okay, so these are the notches. So this is the enlarged view. So these are the notches. You can see the water is coming out from this tank. Okay, so what will happen? The velocity of the flow will be controlled in under the control. There will be no chances of turbulence. So this is one type of the outlet, and here it is the rectangular V notches with the rectangular weir, simple type it is. So these are the two types of outlets provided at the exit of the sedimentation tank.